Solana is going insane. And to start the video, I just want to plot some data for you to really just lay the foundation here. From the bear market low back here, and this was a bear market low for most cryptos, December 26th is kind of that weekly candle, that December 26th weekly candle. From that bear market low to where Solana is right now, Solana is up 2,300%, over 2,000% right now in this weekly. It is still going. It's about to break $200 as I do this video, around 26% away from all-time high. Now, to piggyback on that data, I want to show you something. Here's Chainlink. Chainlink from that same area candle, December 26th, bear market low area to where it is right now, up only 230 some percent. We go over to ADA. ADA, if we take it from that, also that December swing low, which is back here to where ADA is right around now, 196%. We go over here to DOT. This is Polkadot. Here's a bear market low, December, and we take it to where it is right now, 137%. We go over to Matic. Bear market low looking really weird on Matic. We have the December 2022 area to where Matic is right now, around 46%. If I want to be really fair, I can maybe take it to a really stronger swing low back here in September 2023, still only 119%. And then ETH, we go over to ETH and we look at ETH. Maybe we can just take this swing low in June 2022, shortly before December, up around 300%. And if we're taking it from December, up around 236%. And then, so all those altcoins, 200, 300% range. And then Solana, 2,300%. Is this Solana's bull market? Does this bull market belong to Solana? I think that's the question to answer, because I think a lot of people think that. I want to give my perspective. I've been doing these YouTube videos for over 6 years, tracking crypto almost every day and tracking the cycles of crypto. So this is just my opinion. This is just how I see these markets from the data that I've watched over the years. So please hit the subscribe, hit the like. Let's jump into the video. We're gonna talk about some of these altcoins. And I think from a fundamental perspective, we have to start on Bitcoin chart just for a moment. I need to explain this because it really brings into perspective the timeline of where we are in the bull cycle. So, and for me, it's this indicator. This is my macro. There's a bunch of indicators that I use on the macro. This is the main indicator for bull cycle. Bull market high to bear market low, right? And there's that December area, 2022 down here where we were just tracking. And it's the Fibonacci retracement, this green rectangle, the bull market doors, this area. And I'm bringing this up because it's important as kind of an anchor point for these charts we're about to look at. But Bitcoin just broke those doors. And this for me is such a monumental, big thing, as many of you, most of you know. Here it is, last cycle, it's happening, and crypto going crazy into the parabolic bull run. And ultimately, this happening has been the trigger for altcoin season. So altcoin season right now is just at the beginning. And Solana is obviously enjoying itself in terms of kickstarting altcoin season, right? And I think even if you're a Polkadot holder, an ADA holder, Matic, Chainlink, I think with what we're seeing happening with Solana, that shows some promise to the crypto markets right now. And though it is not fun, and I get it, trust me, I get it. It's never fun to watch a coin that you don't have, you don't hold a majority of, just start going crazy in the bull run, and all these other coins are just like hanging out, like not doing anything. I get that, right? I've experienced that like almost every cycle, and everybody has that's been in crypto for a while. There's those moments where crypto is moving and it's not a crypto that you have full exposure to or enough exposure to, and you might feel like you're missing the boat. Everybody experiences that in the crypto space. But what I want to talk about in this video is something I say often on this channel. Cryptos take turns. And I'm not saying when we get to the end of this bull market, every single crypto will have just absolutely exploded, and every single crypto will see the same amount of gains. There will be cryptos that have bigger gains than others, but cryptos take turns. And I think what we're seeing with Solana right now, I think this is a very bullish indicator for all of these other altcoins that we're looking at. So what I want to do is I alluded to this in a video I did the other day. I was just kind of talking about in general the sentiment of crypto, especially with something like Solana moving and other altcoins not moving as much. But I alluded to this point, and I want to visualize it and actually show it on the screen. I talked about Chainlink. So, because right now we're looking at bear market low, right, to where we are right now. Again, bull market doors. This is why I brought up the bull market doors for Bitcoin. This is the general vicinity that we're at. Just happened. Chainlink, this cycle, 200 some %. Bear market low to that area. If we look at last cycle from bear market low, and truly for most of crypto, it was December 2018, all the way back here on the chart. From bear market low to last cycle's bull market doors, and it was November 16th candle, 2020 for Bitcoin, but here it is on Chainlink. Chainlink was up over 7,000%. Exiting that bear market, this truly was an incredible move for Chainlink. And I want to just show you something like ADA in the last cycle. So here's the same 2018 bear market low, right? We just saw what Chainlink did, 7,000% from that area to the bull market doors. And the bull market doors last cycle for ADA, remember, we're looking for November 2020, so right around here. So we're looking at ADA was up around 500%. So in last cycle, Chainlink was up 7,000% by this time. 7,000% by the bull market doors. And ADA was up only 500%. Now we're in an environment, it's not Chainlink this time. Solana, and there it goes, just broke $200. Solana is up, not 7,000% from the bear market low, but it's up 2,300% from the bear market low. And yet again, cryptos like ADA up around 200%, DOT around 150%, Matic around 119, 120%, Ethereum 236%. All of them just lagging behind. So the point I'm making is if we look at last cycle, Link was absolutely just going crazy. From the bull market door area to bull market high for Link, it went up another 250% after that massive move into the bull market doors. If we look at something like ADA, and this is just one example from the bull market doors breaking in November, ADA went up almost 2,000% from that moment. So my point is this. You can see on the ADA chart, and ADA is a really good example, from bear market low to bull market doors, right? Or sorry, from bear market low to bull market doors last cycle, ADA not doing anywhere near the returns that Link did. And at this moment, people might just be like, you know what, dude? This is Link's cycle. I'm moving all my ADA to Link. And look what happened. From that moment on, ADA went up almost 2,000% and Link 250%. This is where I say, and this is just one example. You could do this and you can cross-examine different charts and see how they all move differently. You can truly see how they all take turns. But when I'm looking at ADA, I'm looking at Polkadot, I'm looking at Matic, I'm looking at Ethereum. And Ethereum is an older crypto, right? So in terms of upside potential in this bull market, the gains might be less than something like Matic, actually, or Polkadot, ADA, even Chainlink, Solana. But what has happened so far up until this moment, and when I say this moment, I'm talking about the trigger, the bull market doors for Bitcoin. What has happened thus far is one thing. It's one piece of the story, right? And Solana is absolutely in its season. It is Solana season. But I just want to throw a reminder out there, and there's no guarantees that what I'm saying will definitely be the case. I'm just saying what I've seen over the years through cycles, and not just with ADA, but with cryptos across the board, how they take turns. And we'll get, I think, probably an XRP season, right? A Cardano season, a Polkadot season. It's just kind of like they take turns. And when a lot of times you see something like Solana taking off, which it is doing right now, it's getting incredible PR from this move too. I think there's a lot of people that maybe they've been hanging out in Polkadot and they're like, you know what? This is not the cycle for Polkadot. And right now they're going to go, I'm getting into Solana. It's Solana's bull market. And then in the coming weeks, months, Solana might start pulling a Chainlink at the bull market door area where it just starts, it's going up, but it's not as powerful as it was that already happened. And then Polkadot, for instance, might have its time to shine, not only catching up to all-time highs, right? That's 400% for Polkadot, but continuing the uptrend into new highs, right? And price exploration, right? And so who knows what the gains are potentially in store for something like Polkadot. I think the Polkadot charts look phenomenal. And if you just zoom out, it looks very just reminiscent of all of these charts that are still hanging out here in consolidation range. They haven't had their true parabolic bull market breakout yet. And I want to say this cycle, last cycle for ADA, in terms of where we were on the charts, we were right in this area. Right now, at this phase, we were still not making the breakout for ADA. It hadn't happened yet, right? So that would be in the next couple of weeks or so in terms of if it repeated exactly, but we're not there yet, right? So these breakout moments for charts like ADA, I think Polkadot, I think Matic, even Ethereum. Ethereum has started to break out a little bit. It's approaching all-time high, but I think even Ethereum, in terms of price exploration, they're just getting started. And I think this will be an environment for crypto where these things do take turns. And so right now, Solana has the hype. That is for sure. I don't deny it. If you're a Solana holder, congratulations. I want to see, and I say this all the time, I want to see everybody in this space win. So when it's taking turns, whether it's Solana, whether it's XRP, whether it's Cardano season, whatever phase we're in, if you're winning, then I'm happy for you. And I really, as a content creator in the crypto space, I enjoy tracking this data and actually seeing how consistent it is. I talk about that a lot, the consistencies of these cycles. So this is just what I'm watching. I wanted to kind of add some flavor to the altcoin markets right now because Solana is obviously just having a very, very good time on these charts. Solana holders, I'm sure, just incredibly excited, and I'm excited for them. But I'm also excited for all of the crypto markets, right? Whether that's ADA holders, DOT holders, Matic, Ethereum, Chainlink, right? Chainlink, it's amazing to see this, right? Chainlink last cycle, 7,000% gains from bear market lows to the bull market doors. This cycle, 230% gains to the bull market doors from the bear market low. You see how more mature cryptos that have been around a little bit longer, in a sense, are, they have kind of a diminishing return to them. So those are my thoughts in terms of the altcoin season thus far, because I think it is just getting started. And if you're an ADA holder, a DOT, Matic, Link, ETH, whatever, XRP, I should have put an XRP chart on here. Whatever holder you are, I truly think that the breakouts are coming. The breakouts are on their way. It's just a matter of letting these cycles kind of come to fruition and allowing each season to make its way. So those are my thoughts, everybody. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Appreciate you. Hit the subscribe, hit the like. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.